If you are interested in machine learning, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I am going to talk about one free training courses on machine learning crash courses. You can learn about machine learning from Google Expert. So let's talk in details about these machine learning crash course. Okay, so at first we should have some overview about the courses. This course contains 30 plus exercise, 25 lessons. The total duration of this crash course is 15 hours. And you will get your lectures from Google Researcher, and you will get here some real world case studies. There will have some interactive visualization of algorithm in action. If you're interested in machine learning, you must have some questions regarding this. So what are the questions? And you will get the answer from these courses. For example, how does machine learning differ from traditional programming? What is loss and how do I measure it? How does gradient descent work? How do I determine whether my model is effective? How do I present my data so that a program can learn from it? And how do I build a deep neural network? And many more questions answer will be given with the help of these crash courses. So if you're already known with machine learning, or you have some basic knowledge regarding machine learning, then here you can click start crash course. But if you're new here, but if you're interested in machine learning, then you need to click here view prerequisites. So when you click here view prerequisites, then another tab will open before you. Okay, and here they will ask you some questions. Is machine learning crash course right for you? Here you can see I have a little or no machine learning background. I have some basic background in machine learning, but I'd like a more kind and complete understanding. I know machine learning really well, but I know little or nothing about TensorFlow. TensorFlow is the advanced level of machine learning. So you can select any one of this. If you select here the first one, I have little or no knowledge, then they'll provide you a course in this way. If you select the second one, then they will provide the course as far as your requirement. And if you select the third one, then they'll provide you course in this way. For example, I assume that you have little or no knowledge in machine learning background. So you should click here. When you click here, then you need to click here start learning. And here you can see, before beginning machine learning crash course, you need to do the following. If you are new to machine learning, take introduction to machine learning problem framing. Then if you're new to NumPy, do NumPy artwork tutorial. That means if you're new, then they will provide you some guidelines step by step. You need to click here, and here you can see machine learning concepts. All the concepts are here. So you can learn from these things. But if you're already known in machine learning, then you should click here start crash course. Then directly you will get this interface here, and from there you just need to simply click a play button and you'll be able to start learning from here. So it is a great opportunity to learn about machine learning from the Google Researcher or Google Expert. Check the video description to get the link of this free crash course.